If you've ever left a Discord server and later wished you could find it again, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to check previous Discord servers you joined using Discord's own data request feature. This is the safest and most reliable way to see a record of the servers your account has been a part of. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Discord on your desktop or in your browser. Once you're in, look down to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open User Settings. This is where Discord keeps all of your account, privacy, and data options. On the left-hand side menu, scroll until you find Data and Privacy and click it. This section contains the tools you need to manage your account data and request a copy of the information Discord stores about you. Now, look for the option that says Request Your Data. Depending on the version of Discord you're using, it may appear as a drop-down or a button inside the section. Click that option, then choose Request Data. When the request screen appears, select Servers Only. This tells Discord that you only want the information related to the servers you've joined, instead of requesting your full account archive. After selecting that, click Request My Data. Discord will then begin preparing your data package. Keep in mind that this process does not happen instantly. In some cases, it can take a while for Discord to compile everything, and it may take up to 30 days before your file is ready. So if you do not see it right away, that is completely normal. Once the data is ready, Discord will send an email to the address connected to your account. Open that email and download the data package from the link provided. After downloading, unzip or extract the folder so you can access the contents inside. Inside the downloaded folder, look for a file named Servers. In many cases, this file will be located inside the Activity folder. This is the file you want because it contains the server IDs and names of the servers your account was part of. Open it and review the list carefully to find the previous Discord servers you joined. If you're trying to rejoin a community, you can use the server name to search for it, or use the server ID if you need to cross-check it with another source. This is especially useful if you forgot the name of a server, lost an invite, or just want to see your Discord history. And that's it. You now know how to check previous Discord servers you joined by requesting your Discord data and locating the servers file. It's a simple process, but it can be incredibly helpful if you're trying to track down an old community. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.